Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet strawberry bucket hat. I worked this with a half double crochet stitch and with a J hook. I felt like I could have made it a little bit more snug, and I would recommend maybe going down on the hook and use an I hook. You can make this in different sizes, just adjust the hook accordingly. You can use this chart right here. You can also make this hat in a double crochet rather than the half double crochet like I'm about to show you. The link for the patterns for that is down below in the description and in the comment. I have a playlist for beginner stitches as well as for the magic circle if this is your first time. And I also approve all comments, so if you have any questions, let me know. Instead of the magic circle, I'm going to do a chain 4. Slip a knot onto your hook and yarn over and pull through, and then I'm going to slip stitch in the beginning chain to create the ring. If this is too fast, you can place your video in slow motion. There's a link down below for that. So slip stitch and pull through, and then I'm going to do a chain 2. And then yarn over, and I'm going to create a half double crochet in the ring. Yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And I'm going to create 8 more, and that's a total of 10, including the chain 2. And then slip stitch on top of the chain 2 to complete this round. Chain 2 and then work a half double crochet in the same stitch, and then work 2 half double crochet increase in each stitch around for a total of 20. Slip stitch and then chain 2 again. After this round, I'm going to work in continuous rounds without the slip stitch, and then chain 2, and in the next stitch work a half double crochet 2 times for an increase. So it's going to be 1 and then 2 and then 1 and then 2 until you get to the beginning. Now I'm going to work in continuous rounds without the slip stitch. You can slip stitch if you want to, but I'm going to half double crochet on top of that chain 2, and then half double crochet in the next stitch, and then half double crochet twice, increase in the next stitch. So it's going to be 1, 1, and then 2. Half double crochet in the next 3 stitches and then work an increase. Work 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches and then work an increase. Now work 1 single crochet around for the next 12 rounds. For the next couple of rounds, it will be flat and then it will start taking shape, but it's going to take a couple of rounds before you see that. Now I'm going to make the brim and I'm going to half double crochet and then work an increase and then work 1 half double crochet and then repeat that around. You can use a stitch marker. I like to use the tail. Now this round I'm just going to half double crochet in each stitch around. In this round I'm going to work a half double crochet in the next 2 stitches and then work an increase. Now half double crochet in each stitch around. If you want to make this brim longer, you can keep going with half double crochets. Slip stitch to complete. Now we're going to create the stem with a G hook. In the magic circle, create a slip knot and chain 2, then work 7 half double crochet into the magic ring. If this is your first time, there is a link down below. Now slip stitch to join and chain 2 and work a half double crochet in each stitch around. slip stitch to join, and then chain 2 and work a half double crochet in each stitch around for 3 more rounds. Chain 8 to create a leaf. Slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, single crochet in the next chain, half double crochet in the next 2 chains, and then double crochet in the next 2 chains. Treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook, and then grab the yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then slip stitch into the next stitch, and then slip stitch into the next stitch, and you're going to repeat with a chain 8 and do it the same exact way as before, and then you'll go back and complete these leaves at the end. You're going to repeat for 2 more leaves. Now we're going to complete the leaf. In the first stitch, you're just doing the opposite as you did with the first leaf. Double crochet in the next 2 stitches, half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, single crochet, and then slip stitch, and then you will do this for each leaf around, and then fasten off for each leaf, yarn over and then pull through. Slip knot onto your hook with your yarn and then slip stitch into the corner for each leaf, and you're going to repeat the same exact way with the treble crochet and then the double crochet. Repeat for 2 more times and then you'll weave in your ends. Now you're going to sew the stem on top of the hat with your yarn needle. Make sure it is secured for each leaf. Take white yarn, place it onto your yarn needle and double thread it, and at the end you're going to tie it, and then you can add the little white dash lines for your strawberry throughout your hat. You might need to do this more than a couple of times. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The pattern is down below in the comments and in the description. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe.